ToyMakerz have completed work on the Hades Overland rescue truck, and their client, Tim Hilliker, president of Standing Stones Expeditions, is impressed with the re-outfitted Dodge Ram Bighorn. But before Tim takes it out for his inaugural test drive, he'll get some pointers from Overland experts in an exclusive off-road training session.
Right now, when we're in four-wheel low, we're gonna stay in first gear. Don't add any fuel, just let out the clutch. Hands 3 to 8 on the wheel.
Today we're here with Overland experts. They're going to show me the proper way to drive an off-road vehicle. I do not want to be braking my Dodge truck.
Objects in motion tend to stay in motion, right?
Yes.
So if I've got 4,600 pounds moving, I want to keep 4,600 pounds moving. Give me just a little bit more throttle, Tim.
Yep.
Just a little bit more throttle.
Today we're here to do a crash course in precision off-road driving, teaching Tim and Dave techniques.
Hopefully it's not a crash course. Straighten it out, keep going, keep going. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Easy on the throttle, come off. Nice, good. Overland Experts is more about vehicle preservation. We look at these vehicles as our mechanical horse. It needs to get us to the objective and back in one piece. It isn't always about just running fast and tearing things up. Good straight wheels, good straight wheels. Good, dude, good, dude. Come back the other way. Good, good. Nice throttle, good throttle. Go ahead and hit that motor a little bit, and then we'll come up on the bank. See that little ditch over there? I want you to deliberately hit that, come off that ditch, and then come up to the side.
So when do I get to try this in my truck?
I think it's up to the task. Should we bring Mike with us?
We definitely have to bring Mike with us.
Do we have enough room?
We got to bring Dave.
No, that's cool. Let's go get your truck.
The Hades Overland vehicle, built by ToyMakerz for Standing Stones Expeditions, features extra-large 40-inch Yokohama tires, a 15,000-pound winch by Super Winch, and a massive 2,500 Cummins diesel, tuned by Calibrated Power Solutions.
What do you guys think of the truck? It's almost a shame to get it dirty, but that's why we're here, right?
That's kind of the point.
The first day I got it. I
Good for you.
Can I jump in?
Yeah.
I don't know what it's like to be in the backseat.
Oh. This feels so much nicer. These 40-inch tires kind of smooth it right out.
Roll over, easy pleasy, lemon squeezy. You don't want to crush it. Remember, we've got that turbo up front.
Oh my God, this is insane. Way beyond any expectations. ToyMakerz, you have outdone yourself.
It's always satisfying to exceed expectations. That's really what we strive to do here at ToyMakerz.
The Hades Overland rescue truck, created by ToyMakerz for Standing Stones Expeditions, was given its name because it's able to travel to hell and back to assist those in need. Boasting 40-inch Yokohama tires, a 15,000-pound winch by Super Winch, a custom fabricated equipment rack, heavy-duty storage cases by Pelican, and a massive 2,500 Cummins diesel, tuned by Calibrated Power Solutions. This is the rescue vehicle capable of rescuing other rescue vehicles.